Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send Bitcoin from Robinhood to Binance in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade on a different platform or diversify your crypto holdings, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Binance. You'll need some Bitcoin in your Robinhood wallet to transfer. If you're new to this, remember that crypto transfers involve real money, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your portfolio and find your Bitcoin holdings. Look for the withdraw or transfer option. It's usually under the cryptocurrency section. Robinhood might prompt you to enable withdrawals if you haven't done so before, so follow those instructions. Step 2. Once you're in the withdrawal section, select Bitcoin as the asset you want to send. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Head over to Binance. Log in, go to your wallet, and copy the Bitcoin deposit address. Pro tip: always verify that you're pasting the correct address, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Robinhood will show you any network fees involved, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. In 2025, with advancements like the Lightning Network, fees might be lower, but still, keep an eye on them. Review the details, confirm the transaction, and hit send. After that, you'll see a confirmation on Robinhood. Now, switch back to Binance and check your wallet. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the Bitcoin to appear, depending on the network. Once it's there, you're all set. A quick word of caution: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets secure. And if you're transferring a large amount, consider the market volatility. Crypto prices can change fast. There you have it, folks. You've successfully moved your Bitcoin from Robinhood to Binance. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.